Hi, so we're looking at the number concepts review for Ridgeview Middle School, 7th grade math. And I'm going to give you some answers. They'll be chunked in like maybe 3 questions per video. That way you don't have to click on a ton. Here it says it's Jeremiah swam underwater. Oh, underwater. His elevation decreased for 4 minutes. So I know that decrease is going to mean a negative number. After those 4 minutes, he was 20 feet below sea level. What is his change per minute? So we know the total amount of change was negative 20 feet. And we also know that it happened within 4 minutes. So we're just doing 20 divided by 4. The answer is 5. However, if we look, we have a negative divided by a positive. So my answer is negative 5 feet per minute. Next one, Serena withdrew, and I know that withdrew or withdraw means -7 from her account every day for a week. That's 7 days. What integer represents the change in Serena's bank account? Integer is a positive, negative, or 0 whole number. And so what they want you to do is realize that it's -$7, but for 7 days. So I'm just multiplying. And then a negative times a positive is a negative. And I use the tic-tac-toe method to remind me of that. That means a negative times a positive gives me a negative. That's negative $49. And number 3, Jordan and Lindsay went walking for 1 hour and 30 minutes. They walked 6.3 miles as they talked and enjoyed the sunshine. What distance did they walk each hour? So 1 hour and 30 minutes is important. The fact that they walked a total of 6.3 miles, that's important also. This is the tricky part, I guess, about this question. The answer should be in hours, but my information is in hours and minutes. So before I can start working on this, I need to change this into 1.5 or 1.5 hours, so that when I start my work, my answer will end up being in hours. This is my total, 6.3, and if we want to know how much she walked each hour, this is division. Anytime I have a number here on the outside that's not a whole number, I need to make sure to move my decimal to make it a whole number, and I would do the same thing here. So that becomes, how many times does 15 go into 63? So 15 does not go into 6, so that's 0. 15 into 63, I believe that's 4 times. 30, 60, that's going to give me 60. I subtract, I'm left with 3. I don't have any other numbers to bring down, but that means I would add a 0 and a decimal in my answer. And then 15 into 30 is twice, so that means they walked 4.2 miles each hour.